Hello guys, here I am for another video brought to you by Rhetorical, an English teacher. This is the 5th lesson entitled Walking Tour, devoted to baccalaureate students. And in this video, we're going to learn how to write an advertisement, which is another common exam question. If you're interested and you want to find out more, please continue watching this video. Welcome back. As today's video is on writing an advertisement, it would be beneficial to shed light on some ad-related words. The word advertisement comes from the verb to advertise, which means to tell people about a product or service on television, on the internet, in newspapers, in the streets, etc., so that people will buy it. But what is an ad? An ad, also called an advert, or an advertisement, is a picture that tries to persuade people to buy a product or service. It can also be a short piece of writing in a newspaper or on the internet that advertises an event to attend or a product or service to buy. In the exam, students are given some prompts and are asked to use them to write a 4-line paragraph. Let's take the simple exam question to see how to write a good ad. Would you like to attend the most prominent festival ever? Edinburgh International Festival is known as one of the most amazing festivals in the world. This festival runs annually over 3 weeks, from August 5th to August 29th. During this magnificent festival, you will have the opportunity to join world-class performances of classical music, attend outstanding plays, and listen to breathtaking operas. You will also have the chance to watch the most stunning visual art shows. I bet it will be a great holiday destination for tourists longing for such wonderful events and festivals. What are you waiting for? Book your ticket as soon as possible. You will absolutely be thrilled with all of the festival shows. As you can see from this advertisement, there are 4 parts: a headline, an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. First, you should write an attention-grabbing headline. A headline is the most important part of your advertisement because it's your one shot at getting people to read your ad. If your ad is vague and difficult to understand, or in any way uninteresting, you cannot expect people to take the time to read the rest of your carefully written ad. As you can see, this ad is entitled Edinburgh International Festival, a blend of tradition and innovation. This is a good headline because it uses simple but catchy language, and it encourages people to attend the festival. As we have seen in one of the videos on writing headlines, we can restate this by changing it into a rhetorical question like, are you in the mood for attending a great festival this year? Or a numbered headline like, 3 good reasons why you must attend the Edinburgh International Festival this year. Or the how-to headline like, how to put a little drama in your trip to Edinburgh this year. For more information on how to do that, please check out our videos on how to write a good headline, and you can find the link to the video in the description box below. Let's move on now to the introduction. Although there is no specific way to write an introduction to an ad, you can follow these tips. You can start with a rhetorical question, which is a question asked in order to make a statement that does not expect an answer. It is an excellent way to catch the reader's attention. To ask this question, you can use one of these tenses, the simple present tense or the present perfect tense. For example, in this ad, I can say, do you want to attend one of the best festivals ever? This is a question with a simple present tense. Or I can say, have you ever dreamt of attending the Edinburgh International Festival? This is a question with the present perfect tense. After asking this question, you answer it with one of these expressions. For example, it is one of the plus the superlative form plus a plural noun. Or I can say it is known as it is regarded as, it is considered as. In our ads, we said, the Edinburgh International Festival is known as one of the most amazing festivals in the world. As you can see, the introduction is very simple and straightforward. It is composed of two parts, a rhetorical question and an answer. Now let's move on to the body part. In this part, the students use the prompts in the table. As this is an ad, and its aim is to persuade people to attend this festival, the students are required to use a specific language and specific vocabulary. For such types of ads, students should use extreme or strong adjectives. Strong or extreme adjectives are ones which are used instead of using very plus a normal adjective. Strong adjectives are more expressive than normal adjectives and are used with adverbs like really or absolutely. So instead of saying during this very good and beautiful festival, you can say magnificent festival. This adjective, magnificent, is more expressive than good or specially fine. Another example is use stunning instead of extremely good. So here is the list of extreme adjectives used in this ad. It is also recommended that you use the superlative form like the following examples: the most prominent, the most amazing, and the most stunning. Another thing that you can also use is extreme adverbs such as absolutely, definitely, and other ones. Keep in mind that while writing an ad, you should use specific vocabulary to convince the reader to attend this event. The last part of this ad is the conclusion. It is devoted to creating the desire to attend this festival. To do so, you can use one of these ways. Number one, inviting people to visit the event by asking such a question: what are you waiting for? Number two, using imperative forms like come and visit, come to this festival, don't miss it. And another way, making suggestions. How about attending this amazing festival? So you make suggestions to encourage people to visit or attend this festival. In this ad, our conclusion is as follows. What are you waiting for? Book your ticket as soon as possible. You will absolutely be thrilled with all of the festival shows. We have invited people to attend the festival and we have used the imperative form to incite people to enjoy this festival. Now that we have learned how to write an ad, and as the proverb goes, practice makes perfect. Use the following notes to write an advertisement about the changing of the guard ceremony that takes place in London. Remember to use this layout to write a coherent, catchy ad in which you convince people to attend this ceremony. Write your answer in the comment section below and I will correct it for you as usual. That's all from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also to make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Love and peace. Riyadh.